Hello everyone, I hope you all will be fine. Myself Reena. Today I will teach you fill in the blanks related to parts of body name. You all know that we were teaching last lecture parts of body name. So today I will teach you fill in the blanks related to this topic. So let's start. So firstly you will mention date. So today's date is 17th of September 2020. Then we will mention day. Today is Thursday, THURSDAY, Thursday. Then we will mention topic PARTS, parts, OF, BODY, body, and AME, name, parts of body name, and draw the underline also. Then we will mention heading FILL, fill, INTHE, the, BLANKS, blanks, fill in the blanks and draw the underline also. You can see I am already write some spellings here, but in spellings have some letters miss, so we will fill up. So firstly we will identify the spelling and I will tell you these all spellings are related parts of body name. So first spelling is head. And what is the spelling of head? HEAD, head. So words come here? A. Now we will read HEAD, head. Head means sir. Next, which spelling is this? Mouth. And what is the spelling of mouth? MOUTH, mouth. So words come here? O. Now we will read MOUTH, mouth. Then one line leave and next spelling hair. And what is the spelling of hair? HAIR, hair. So words come here? A. HAIR, hair. Hair mean ball. Next, which spelling is this? Nose. And what is the spelling of nose? NOSE, nose. So words come here? O. Now we will read NOSE, nose. Nose mean knock. One line leave. Next spelling brain. What is the spelling of brain? BRAIN, brain. So words come here? A. Now we will read BRAIN, brain. Brain mean mastish. Next, eyebrow. What is the spelling of eyebrow? EYEBROW, eyebrow. So words come here? O. Now we will read EYEBROW, eyebrow. Eyebrow mean eyebrow. Next spelling lips. What is the spelling of lips? LIPS, lips. So words come here? I. We will read LIPS, lips. Next, which spelling is this? Neck. NECK, neck. Which letter is missing here? C. So words? So we will write here C. Now read NECK, neck. Neck mean garden. Next, which spelling is this? Cheek. CHEEK, cheek. And which letters are missing here? Double E. So we will write here E and E. We will read CHEEK, cheek. Cheek mean gall. Next, ear. What is the spelling of ear? EAR, ear. Which letter are missing? A. So we will write here A. EAR, ear. Ear mean can. Next, finger. FINGER, finger. Words come here? E. So we will write here E. Now we will read FINGER, finger. Finger mean ungli. Next, thumb. What is the spelling of thumb? THUMB, thumb. So which letters are missing here? U, M. Now we will read THUMB, thumb. Thumb mean angutha. Okay, this is your assignment and you will do properly same like this. Firstly you will mention always date, day and heading, then you will do your work. Okay, now we will meet in our next class with a new topic. Take care. Bye bye children.